Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in the bird collage. Collaging is for the birds, hosted by Barbie of Nellie and Ruth Designs. Be sure and check out her channel at Nellie and Ruth Designs, and be sure and check out the hashtag Nrbirdcollage to see what everyone else has made. I'll have it listed in my description box down below. Well, I'm kind of getting anxious for fall because it's hot. And I love fall, and the leaves are actually starting to change. It's been so dry that some of them are just flat out drying and just not leaving the pretty colors, but we've got a few pretty colors. So I'm anxious to do fall, and I'm anxious to use some of my images that from my new book that I got. So without further ado, let's get started. Well, I hope everybody's doing okay. I'm doing pretty good. Let's see how I want to do all this. Let's see. I love that big mushroom, and it came from another cut and collage book, so I'll use that. And I've got that cute little fella, and I got that cute little owl, and I wanted to bring in my squirrel. Okay, and I've got this pretty little bird that I thought could sit up there, and maybe tuck in a few more mushrooms. Let's see here. Maybe put that one behind him. I love these long skinny ones. So I thought maybe I could tuck maybe something like that. I like that. That's pretty. And I've got the farmhouse up here, and I thought I could have the truck sitting out front. And I just want to decorate the top with a few bird stamps and maybe some pretty leaves. I'll just go ahead and do that. Maybe something along those. Now I like that. That looks happy. Okay, so I've already inked it. So let's start getting some of this stuff down. Well, it's not a whole lot going on. Mississippi State won their first football game, and that's great. I'm very happy. And that's about all the football I know for right now. I didn't really look. I do know that State won. And let's see. Still watching The Unit, which is a lot of fun. It's a good show. And let's see. What else? I'm still reading the Vampire Knitting Club books, and I've enjoyed those. I just started book 12. And I really have enjoyed them. They're clean, they're fun, and they keep they're short books, and they keep your interest. Let's see here. I don't know what I did with there it is, my paper towel. I'm ready for fall. Fall and spring are my favorite times of the year, and I lean towards fall more because you've got so much stuff that's coming up. You know, you got the holidays and Thanksgiving, of course Christmas, and football and all of that fun stuff. It's just a fun time of the year. You're getting the cooler weather, starting to bring out the sweaters. Let's see here. Hopefully I'm getting this close to where I had it. Okay. Now we can get this down. But it's always a lot of fun in fall. Okay, let me go ahead and get these down. Starting the fall journals and Christmas journals, the fall ephemera. I know people think it's too soon for Christmas ephemera, but there's a lot to make before the holidays. And I haven't been doing my cooking channel. It's been so hot, so I want to get back to doing that. Two channels can be a little bit overwhelming. But I love them both. Okay. Alright, we'll get Mr. Squirrel there. He was too cute to not bring in. I love to watch. We've got squirrels in our yard and I love watching them play. They remind me so much of cats. And they'll just... We have some crows, and I threw out some tortilla chips for the crows that had, you know, broken up and such, and looked out the window and there was a squirrel with a chip in his hand eating on it. Okay, I like that a lot. That makes me happy. And let's see here. I'm just going to kind of outline my birds and my squirrel. I think those are cute little fellas. I know this is a simple one. I haven't done a surreal one in a while. I need to do that. I just haven't found the right stuff. Maybe next week. I love the fall colors as well. How cute. Okay, now it's Mr. Owl here. He must be very cold-natured. Could be sitting up in those trees. can't forget that bird. Let's get Mr. Squirrel here. Yeah, it's still been warm here. Been up in the 90s. We need rain so bad. It is so dry. The grass and everything is dying. Okay. It's so cute. I do love to watch the squirrels. Okay, and didn't get his arm. Now this little birdie. And I think I want to do some copper splatters for fall. So let's get that. Okay. Get this going. All right. Well, I think that one is done. I really love how it turned out. So I hope you enjoyed it as well. Be sure not to forget to go see Barbie at Nellie and Ruth Designs, and be sure and check out the hashtag Nrbirdcollage. Y'all have a wonderful day. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all take care. Have a wonderful day. I love you. And until next time, bye y'all.